but the numbers are still too high. In order to start a downward trend, we have to double down on actions that slow the spread of the virus. Other states have had to go backward when they saw sharp increases in their case numbers that overwhelmed their hospitals. Fortunately, we've avoided that, and it's because we've mandated masks and eased restrictions carefully in modest phases. We do not want to go backward. Stable is good, but decreasing is better. Slowing the spread of this virus requires targeted strategies that help lower the risk of transmission. To that end, and in order to drive down numbers and continue our trends moving in the right direction, we are announcing today a statewide curfew on the sale of alcohol at restaurants. Effective this Friday, July the 31st, restaurants must stop selling alcoholic drinks after 11 p.m. Bars will remain closed. We've not yet opened bars in North Carolina for a reason. Public health experts and examples from other states show that bars and other places where people gather closely together are a high transmission setting for this virus. We want to prevent restaurants from turning into bars after hours. And we're hopeful that this new rule can help drive down cases, particularly among young people. Several local governments have already taken this step. Their orders will remain in place as long as they are as strict or more strict. And our statewide order will go into effect anywhere that does not already have such a curfew. This will be particularly important as colleges and universities are scheduled to start, bringing people from all over the country to our state. We've seen case numbers increase among younger people, and prevention is critical to slowing the spread of the virus. We know that the bar scene has been a place where we have seen increased transmission. This has been happening in other states. I saw the governor of Texas who said if there's anything that he could change, he would not have opened the bars, and we've seen numbers spike in Texas. We're getting some reports about some restaurants that essentially turn into bars late at night where people are less socially distant and less sitting at tables and more milling around and more up around the bar. So what we want to do now that we have become stable with our numbers, we want to drive those numbers down. And this is one of the ways that we believe will be effective in driving those numbers down if we discourage that bar type scene in a restaurant.